In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up a group chat in Slack in just 5 simple steps. Let's get started. First, go ahead and click the plus icon next to direct messages in your left sidebar. This is where you'll start creating your new group. You'll see a menu where you can select who you'd like to add to your group chat. Just click on each person's name to include them. Perfect! Your group chat is all set up and ready to go. You can type your first message right away, or if you'd like to customize the group settings, just click on the member names shown under the search bar. Here's where you can fine-tune your group. You'll see options to add a topic in the About section, manage who's in the group under Members, set up email integrations, and adjust visibility settings. By the way, there's a quicker way to do this too. You can use the plus icon and select Message, or just press Command+N on your keyboard to start a new group chat instantly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to create and customize group chats in Slack. Feel free to run through this again anytime.